road today, you know. Everything get fucked when I reach.
Radical, you don't know who my father is. My father the wickedest thing. And I God make him a the devil.
Oh yeah, dear. So you fought from prison everything me say I go.
Judgment come.
So we have to fight the one as a family.
Yeah.
Yes. A man come from jail, you know. A man, honey.
You know I tell my father stop this.
Gally, remember, you know, the game can't nice if you don't have two controller. Father, my property this man.
So who your father be? Nobody afraid of your father?
Remember the last time I did tell you, your mouth sweet, but you're too old for me. My happy though.
You think me come around to play with people? Them can violate my boy and get where? Me not save none of them.
Barbs, you don't need man right now, you need Jesus.
Anyway, this place is not safe in my knees. You need to hurry up and go back to foreign.